Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix flickering issue in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. And here you can check your auto brightness. If you turn on your auto brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your auto brightness, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.